Alright guys, so today we will be making hand sanitizers at home according to the WHO recommended formula. For that we have taken alcohol, then glycerin, then hydrogen peroxide, and then we have extracted the aloe vera gel from the leaves of aloe vera plant at home. The recommended formula for making this hand sanitizer according to the WHO is that alcohol should be taken 70%, glycerin should be taken to 3%, hydrogen peroxide should be taken 2%, and aloe vera gel should be taken 25%. So for making 100 ml of solution, we have taken this alcohol 70 ml, that becomes the 70%. So we will pour this alcohol in this container. Okay. After adding alcohol in this container, now we will add 2 ml of hydrogen peroxide in this alcohol solution. The 2 ml hydrogen peroxide solution, for 100 ml it is the 2% of all solution. Okay guys, so now we will take 3 ml of glycerin and will add to this solution. So we have taken 3 ml. Okay. Now we will pour this aloe vera gel gently in this container. Okay. You should take aloe vera gel 25% for making 100% of the total solution. For making 100 ml of solution, you should take 25 ml of aloe vera gel, and now shake it well. Shake it for 2 to 3 minutes, and your hand sanitizer is ready. Okay, so this is your hand sanitizers, and if you want to add some pleasant smell and odor, you can also add rose water in this solution.